How to upscale your AI artwork tutorial. So go ahead and open Midjourney. Midjourney is a text-to-picture artificial intelligence, or as we all know as AI. It is a service developed by an independent research lab of the same name. This AI service allows users to generate images based on textual descriptions, creating a wide range of art forms from realistic to abstract styles. So go ahead and generate an image here on Midjourney. To do that, type in slash image and then followed by the description that you want your image to look like. Let's say we want an image of a hamster with sunglasses. Now follow it by the art style. I want it to be vector. And then let's make the background white. So just type that in, and then once you're done, enter that and just wait for Midjourney to fully generate your image. Now here are 4 images. Tap on U1, U2, U3, or U4 to upscale the image, and you can download it from there. By the way, this is their numbering. This is 1, 2, 3, and 4. But if ever you don't like the images that you currently have, you can click on this refresh and then it will generate new set of images. Now here below is the V1, V2, V3, and V4, which means version. So if you want another version of the same image, click on their corresponding V number and it will then generate new images. Once you have your desired image, upscale to save it, and to do that, click on this web button. This will direct you to your browser where you will see its size, its date, aspect ratio, and other details. And from here, click on the save icon. Now as you can see, the size is too small for clear printing. The default size that Midjourney generates is 1024 by 1024 pixels. Unless you specify the aspect ratio, the resolution will change a bit, but that is still the average. What we need to do is to make this bigger without ruining its quality. And to do that, the first choice is to go to Photoshop if you have one. This is Adobe Photoshop. Photoshop is an image creation, graphic design, and photo editing software developed by Adobe. So we will be using and utilizing this software to enlarge our images. Open your photo. Once you're in the editing page, go to the upper left corner of the page and then click on edit. From here, go to preferences and proceed to technology previews. This will bring up a new window, and what we need to do here is to make sure that this enable preserve details 2.0 upscale checkbox is highlighted, and then click on OK before closing the window. When you enable preserve details 2.0 in the image size dialog box, while increasing the dimensions of an image, it uses advanced algorithms to analyze the image content and try to preserve important details such as edges, textures, and fine elements during the upscaling process. Now to resize it, go to the upper left corner again, click on image, select image size, and on this window, as you can see, this is 1024 by 1024 pixels. And what we want to do is to upscale it. Now I want it to be 8 times bigger, so that would be 8192 by 8192. Now beside the resample is a drop down, and here we need to choose either preserve details or preserve details 2.0. It gives the same effect, it just varies on the type of image, so just try both to know what works best. As for me, I'll choose Preserve Details 2.0, and what you need to do is to reduce noise as high as you can without making the image blurry. You can use the preview box in here to make sure that you still have a good quality image. Now once you're done, click on OK, and as you can see, the picture is now way bigger. Another thing you can do if you don't have Photoshop is to go to your browser, type in replicate.com/nightmareai, real-esrgan. Now, here's an example of how they upscale photos. So this is a cat which is upscaled 2 times. And as you can see, its details are clear. So this is a fast way to upscale your images. Now in here, click on sign in and you would need GitHub to use it. If you don't have one, click on create account, choose and enter your username, type in your email address and then type in your password. Now just verify your account in here, and once you have access to replicate the site, you can drag your image to upload it, choose an upscale size and then click on submit. Once it's done, click on download, and now to compare it, we will be saving the one from the Photoshop. So to do that, click on the file here on the upper left corner of your screen. Then scroll down in here and then click on save a copy, or you can also choose to save as. And in here, choose either JPEG or PNG. That is the best setting to save images. We will be putting the original, the Photoshop one, and the replicate upscaled photos. As you can see, these three are all zoomed in the same percentage. The original one is obviously small. The Photoshop is blurry and kind of noisy when zoomed in. And here, the replicate one has better and clearer image. Now another way so that we can resize the resolution of our image, this is only applicable to vector image. So to do that, open another tab and type in vectorizer.ai. This platform would make our image vector, and that way its resolution will not be pixelated once it's stretched. The quality of the image will not be destroyed once we use it for any type of enlargement. So once the vectorizer is finished, you will see that we have the same photo, just a vector version of it. And now we need to download it and make sure that this is on a PNG file format so that we can make it bigger. Now open Canva or Photoshop, create a design and make sure that the resolution is as big as you want. Once you're in the editing screen, upload the image in here and adjust it to fit the screen. After that, download it as PNG or PDF to get the best results. And as you can see, it is now bigger. So that is how to upscale your AI artwork tutorial. Do let us know if this video helped you out. And if you have any question, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.